Today, we'll be learning about the plant-based burger, which is not the same as the veggie burger. They're two totally different things, and you'll see how in this video. There are actually a lot of benefits to eating meat. It offers a great source of protein that helps with muscle building, vitamins, minerals such as iron, zinc, and selenium. Oh, and it's also pretty affordable when you're trying to feed a very large family. But what are the downsides of eating all of this meat all the time? Oftentimes, meats have a very high concentration of bad fats, which are saturated fats. This can lead to high cholesterol, high blood pressure, and other cardiovascular diseases. It can also lead to diabetes, type 2, and even cancer. In the past couple decades, America has shown an exponential growth of meat consumption. Livestock production actually adds a lot of synthetic hormones, such as these. All of these hormones help the animals grow quicker and bigger to meet the market demands. There has actually been increasing concerns to health regarding all of these synthetic hormones like estrogen and insulin like growth factor 1 because it may affect initiation of breast and prostate tumors. Also, maintaining this large quantity of livestock emits a lot of greenhouse gases, like CO2 and N2O, through fertilizers, manure, and cows' enteric fermentation during digestion. All of these things contribute to climate change, and we can definitely change that by eating less meat.
Eating less meat and producing less greenhouse gases can be prevented due to a plant-based diet. So we're going to take a look at two food companies that provide plant-based burgers, Impossible Foods and Beyond Meat. So, what actually makes up a burger? Meat contains many components such as connective tissue, fat, and muscle. All of these collectively give different things like the aroma, the texture, and the appearance of the animal meat. So the red color of the meat is not actually from blood, but is from a special substance called myoglobin. Heme is found in myoglobin, which is an iron-containing molecule that transports oxygen all around our body. So when the meat is cooked, myoglobin is denatured, which releases heme, allowing the iron to escape, catalyzing flavor, aroma, and color-producing reactions.
We will be discussing the first company, Impossible Foods, which has created a plant-based meat that contains all natural ingredients, such as wheat, coconut oil, and potatoes. But how exactly does Impossible Foods try to actually mimic real meat burgers? They use a protein called leg hemoglobin, which is very similar to myoglobin. This comes from the roots of soy plants, or it could be generated by genetically engineered yeast. This contributes to the color, but what about the fats, protein, and texture of a real meat burger? The company uses a fat/protein toolbox, which is unknown and a company secret. The meat that we have cooked today is from the company Beyond Meat. Some ingredients include pea plants, which contributes to the protein, coconut oil, and potato starch, which contributes to the chewiness and juiciness of the burger. Another component are beets, which contribute to the color of the red plant-based burger, which tries to mimic real meat burger. In conclusion, plant-based burgers has many beneficial factors, such as they are hormone and antibiotic free, they have lower gas emission and water use, They have lower risk of cardiovascular disease and cancer, and plus they're healthier compared to meat-based burgers.
Thanks for watching this video, and we hope you learned a lot. Go and try out the plant-based burger and let us know what you think.